Good morning, everybody. Guys, I slept so well. You have no idea. The heater ticking on here is warm and cozy in here. The bed is so comfy. Let me tell you something. I dreamt for the last 2 nights that I've been in the van. Like I dreamt like a little baby. Non-stop, one dream after the other. And that's why I know I love this. My body's telling me I love this because I'm just sleeping deliciously. That's a good word. Deliciously. Wow. I can bet that it's cold as anything outside, but in the van I'm warm and cozy. Listen, I don't rave about material things very much, but when this heater works, absolutely brilliant. Now let's get up. I'm near Loch Lomond today. Well, I'm on Loch Lomond actually, in Scotland, near Glasgow. So long drive today. Why? Because we're going to the Isle of Skye in Scotland, searching for the Northern Lights. Apparently tonight's a good night to see it. Don't know why, but apparently it is. So, well, I know why, because it's a clear night tonight. There's no rain. So shall we go? But first, let me get up, eat something, and show you around. Let's go. I just woke up, and where I'm staying, there's a toilet facility, and it's amazing. I'm going to leave the link here to tell you what it is, but look at the facilities. And by the way, it's all free. Free. Absolutely free. You guys know that I like to travel in the cheap, and that's why I travel in my van, that's why I buy food at the supermarket, that's why I cook inside. But sometimes you just gotta buy a coffee and see the view. Like the view that I'm parked at today is spectacular. It's Loch Lomond. Cue the drone shots. The ground is completely frozen. I woke up to a nice ring today, but the views are worth it. Oh my god, look at this. So I'm literally just beside Loch Lomond now, and it's absolutely amazing. So what we gotta do, we gotta get a coffee and go to the side of the lake, taking the views. Alright, coffee, check. Now, lakeside. Let's have a look at the lake. Ooh, I think there's a boat. They do, from Loch Lomond, they do tours of the loch and a boat. And there's a lot of people here now, which I'm guessing means that there's a tour coming. Oh yeah, there's a boat coming over there. Should I do it? Should I not do it? Don't know. You guys don't understand how good of a backup this is. The van is over there, and I'm over here. Look at it. So, I struck gold today. This is the Loch Lomond. Like, I would leave the description below of the backup. I found them park for night, of course, but there was loads of recommendations. There's the cafe, seen I got my coffee. There's a toilet open 24/7, so you can do your business. In my case, since I don't have a toilet in my van, there's no showers, but there are toilets. You can wash, brush your teeth, get a coffee, and have amazing views like this. Guys, I think we lucked out today. Apparently, it's a beautiful day today. As you can see, I wouldn't call it sunny, but it's definitely not raining or windy or snowing or anything like that. So the plan today is to see a little bit of Loch Lomond and head to the Isle of Skye, because today is the 31st of December 2022, and because it's a good day today, there's a high chance of seeing the Northern Lights in the Isle of Skye. So it's another 200-mile drive, but if you're chasing the Northern Lights, you gotta drive. Let's go. That's a wrap on the Loch Lomond. I used the tripod to do some cool shots and B-roll. Now, oh, there's a ship over there. Now, time to head to the Isle of Skye. Maybe on the last day of the year, we'll get to the Isle of Skye and get to see the Northern Lights. Fingers crossed. But as always, I need to go to the supermarket because my toothpaste just finished. So I need to get toothpaste because they can look scruffy, but I can't have breath. So head off to the Isle of Skye, 200 miles, hopefully. No traffic this time. Bloody hell. I'll leave you with this beautiful view of Loch Lomond, and off we go. Isle of Skye, Northern Lights. Let's go! Okay, this is the second stop of the trip, just from Glasgow to the Isle of Skye. Why? Because I'm in the Highlands, in the Glencoe Mountains, or National Park. I don't know if it's a national park, but I know for sure there's the Glencoe Mountains. And just beside the mountains, look what you get. You get these parking places, or parking areas, rest areas, and the views! The views are just better and better. I know I need to be at the Isle of Skye for the Northern Lights tonight, but how can I not stop? It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at these views, guys. I can't even fly the drone anymore because I've probably exhausted all the battery, but look at this. Third stop of the day, McDonald's. Don't judge me, I need the toilet. I need a quick meal so I can get back on the road. Ooh, I got guess my number's ready. 110, I'll tell you. I had McDonald's with worse views. Now a quick stop at Morrison's to get antifreeze because today and the rest of the day is expected to get extremely cold. Isn't that weird? I'm just going past Fort William, which is the second biggest city of the Highlands, and Ben Nevis, which is the tallest mountain in the UK. Places that I've always wanted to visit, but I'm literally just going past. Why? Because that's not the goal for today. The goal for today is to get to the Isle of Skye to see the Northern Lights, because we have a clear sky today with not a full moon, which wouldn't help because it makes everything brighter, but it's half a moon and it's clear sky as anything. Today is the perfect day in Scotland to see the Northern Lights. And the last stop of the trip before my final destination, I had to stop over here. If I didn't stop over here, you guys would be upset with me. Wow, Scotland. Wow. Guys, I wanna cry. Hey guys, Gus from the future here. I'm just editing this video and I just want to remind you that this channel is not monetized, so I make no money out of this. Quite the opposite, I spend a lot. So if you wanna help me create more videos like this, I've linked in the description of this video my online store, my photography online store. So you can, if you need a print or if you need digitals in your house, or if you want to gift it to someone, please go to the link in the description. It's my online store. You can get whatever photo you like over there, and that would help me a lot. Thank you very much, and now back to the video. It's so beautiful that I'm gonna cry. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God.
As I sit here and watch the sun sink below the horizon, I can't help but feel a sense of peace wash over me. The vibrant colors of the sunset paint the sky in a spectrum of pinks, purples and oranges. And I'm filled with a sense of wonder and awe at the beauty of it all. As the day comes to a close and the darkness of night begins to creep in, I found myself lost in thought, contemplating the mysteries of life and all that it has to offer. It's moments like this that make me feel truly alive and grateful for all that I have.
Hi guys, so the plans changed slightly today. Where am I now? Today, 31st of December 2022, I am literally at the foot of the Old Man of Storr. What is the Old Man of Storr? It's a incredibly beautiful hike that you can do in the Isle of Skye. Why am I here? Basically because I was told, well actually I wasn't told, I researched, but someone actually told me on the previous backup this morning that today in the Isle of Skye is the best chance I have to see the Northern Lights. Why? Because we got a half moon, so it's not a full moon, which helps because it doesn't brighten the air, but also clear sky. Do you know how rare this is in Scotland? A clear sky. You guys have seen the videos of today, right? Clear sky, beautiful, amazing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I'm gonna end that I'm gonna end the year with this unbelievable view of Scotland, of the Highlands in Scotland. I'm just mind blown. All right. So what it's gonna do? What are we gonna try today? Today, the goal is to see the Northern Lights. So what time is it? It's 7:17 in the evening. Obviously, I'm gonna cook myself a New Year's dinner, and I'm gonna wait to see the Northern Lights, to see if I can see the Northern Lights. I really want to see the Northern Lights so I can show you guys. It's a dream of mine to see the dancing lights in the sky. And tonight is the best chance that I've got here in Scotland. Keep your eyes peeled because you might be seeing the Northern Lights tonight. Let's go! And the saga of the diesel heater continues. Today it was another problem, so I said, you know what, I've had enough with this. 31st of December, 9:39 at night. I had enough. I'm on top of the mountain on 31st of December. Not gonna fix that now, is it? I tried, didn't manage. I had enough. So, what have I decided to do? I've decided to cook. Because with a belly full, you sleep quicker, even if you're cold. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna cook now. One meal that is become synonymous with this channel. You guys know which one. Ooh, our delicious Spanish omelette. Look, the heat is simmering and the omelette is cooking. While the omelette is cooking, I've taken the side dish out of the fridge, which is cheesy coleslaw. So I'm gonna have a little bit of coleslaw with my Spanish omelette, and voila, that will be my New Year's Eve meal. I've decided not to drink anymore, or not just not to drink anymore, but drink very little. And tonight is not one of the nights that I want to drink. So I'm gonna toast the new year with water and my Spanish omelette with cheesy coleslaw. Yeah, baby. And the 31st of December 2022 last meal is delicious. You guys know, you've seen this before on this channel. You have seen this before. So I'm gonna tuck in. I'm gonna tuck in because I'm bloody starving. Do you want some? Do you want some? Do you want some? Hi guys. I'm so sorry, but tonight is a night of disappointment. No Northern Lights. I really thought tonight would be the night, but no Northern Lights. And no, you guessed it, no diesel heater. The diesel heater decided to not work, so I'm gonna sleep without the Northern Lights and freezing cold. It is what it is. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.